Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular compact SUVs on the market, the Mazda CX-5, third generation. Style that turns heads, power that excites. Started with the exterior, the CX-5 Gen 3 carries Mazda's signature Kodo design language, bold, dynamic, and elegant. The sharp LED headlights, sculpted body lines, and distinctive grille give a premium, sporty stance. Whether in motion or parked, this SUV radiates sophistication. Step inside, and you'll see where Mazda really raises the game. Soft touch materials, leather seating options, and a minimal yet classy dashboard layout. Looks premium outside, drives like a thrill inside. Now let's talk power. The Gen 3 CX-5 offers a range of engines depending on the market, from a naturally aspirated 2.0L or 2.5L petrol engine to a more powerful 2.5L turbocharged option, and even a diesel in some regions. The turbo variant pushes around 250 horsepower, giving the CX-5 a surprisingly strong punch for a compact SUV. With sharp handling, responsive steering, and Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus, the CX-5 feels agile and planted on the road. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in around 6.5 to 7 seconds with a turbo engine, quick enough to keep driving fun while still practical for family use. Pricing starts around $28,000 and can climb up to about $40,000 plus premium feel, everyday practicality.